I landarsi nesa ar gyfer y gêm rhwng y deiliaid Merched Abertawe a Met Caerdydd.
Y ddau dîm yn ddigur o mynd mewn i'r gêm hon ac Abertawe a gêm wrth gefn. Ymdrech Stacey John Davies yn cael ei harbed ar ôl pas fendigedig gan Chloe Chivers.
Cyfle o gic gornel i'r Met, ond Eli Lake yno i'r elyrch i benio'r bêl oddi ar y llinell.
Aeth 73 o funudau heibio cyn i Chloe Chivers sgorio unig gol y gêm dros y tîm cartra. Ergyd nerthol o bell gan Chivers a'r bêl yn curo Estelle Randall yn y gol i Met.
Daeth cyfle i Evans a'r Met yn fuan wedi hynny, ond yr ergyd yn syth i ddwylo border. Aeth T.J. Richardson yn agos iawn i ddyblu mantais yr elyrch, ond profodd gol o didog Chivers i fod yn ddigon i selio'r fuddugoliaeth i dîm Colin Staples. Yr elyrch yn dangos i bwriad i ddal gafal ar y teitl.
Absolutely over the moon with it. What a great advert for the Women's Premier League. Both teams, superb game. I thought in the end we just deserved to get that 3 points in the bag, but in the league that we're in, we've got to go there as well. So yes, we're going to enjoy what we've just done, but we need to work again.
Fantastic performance, I thought, from the girls. We played together, played a tight knit, and it paid off today. And I think we fully deserve the 3 points. She always pops up with them worldies. Yeah, if we give her the ball and when she has the chance, she will finish them.
You know, what we've said to the girls is you know, don't let this result today define you. So we're hoping that, you know, we've put out a really good performance today, that we'll see an even better one next week and the week after and so on.
Yeah, really disappointed, obviously. You know, it was a tough game and we knew that, physicality and everything. So it's, you know, it's not ideal to come away with a loss, but, you know, what we've been saying is that there's 3/4 of a season left and, you know, everything's still to play for now. The pressure's on Swansea to keep those, you know, 3 points away from us. So yeah, disappointing, but, you know, we go in and we train on Tuesday and we go again.